Hi kids, this is Teacher Bebs, and in this video we will be learning the subject English. So I will be teaching you the vocabularies and grammar topics for Unit 8. By the way, before we will start this video, if you have any questions or clarifications about my subject or my exercises, just let me know and I will answer all your questions. Let's start! Our topic for today is getting dressed. Please get your English Big Book and open Unit 8. Let's start. Let's read this sentence together. Remember, we use the a if the next word begins with a consonant. For example, a table, a book, a computer. Let me just remind you what are consonants. Consonants are letters in the alphabet that needs a vowel in order to create a sound. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, and the 21 letters are the consonant. The 5 are the vowels. The vowels are a, e, o, u. Here in our example, you can see that the letters are in red. So these letters in red are examples of consonant. Consonant function when we add a vowel. So for example, consonant T. T makes T. If we add T and A, it becomes Ta. So again, it needs a vowel in order to create a sound. Also, we use the article a for singular form. All our examples here are in singular form because it doesn't have an S. If you can still remember, plural form have S at the end of the word. For example, tables. But here we do not have S. So that means it is singular. So we use a for singular form only. So if it's tables, we do not say a tables, we just say tables. Now let's proceed to the article an. Let's read. We use an if the next word begins with a vowel. So there are 5 vowels in the alphabet, and these are a, e, o, u. Let's read the examples. An apple, an egg, an umbrella. So the letters in red are the vowels. Like the article a, we use an for singular forms only. So again, we use an if the next word begins with a vowel. Now let's move on to the next slide. Let's read the sentence together. Articles a and an are used for singular forms only. Again, singular meaning there's only one object or one thing. We use is for singular. We use are for plural. Okay, so again, is used for only one thing. Are is used for more than one thing. So 2 or more than. So for example, he. When you say he, it's only referring to one person. So he is standing. So I'm talking only about one boy. He is standing. Next, if we use the word we is referring to 2 person or more than 2 person. For example, you and me. So I will use the word we. So we are standing. So we use are because there are 2 people. So it's me and you. Okay, so that's how we use is and are. Now we need to remember also these things again. Please read along with me. This and that are singular. These and those are plural. Okay, so let's read number 1. We use this and these if the object is near to the speaker or if you are holding the object. So meaning you are touching it with your hands. So for example, you are holding the pencil. So the pencils are in your hand. So it's near you. Okay? So that's how we use the word this. So if I'm holding only one pencil, then I will say this pencil. But if I'm holding like 5 pencils, then I will say these pencils. Okay? So this pencil, these pencils. This pencil because it's only one, so we do not add s to the word pencil. So we just say pencil. But if we say these pencils, we will add s because I'm talking about plural form or more than one. So if I'm holding 5, then it is plural form. Next, that and those. So we use that and those when the object is far to the speaker. So I am the speaker. For example, I am the speaker. So if I'm standing on the or near the blackboard in our school. So imagine Teacher Babs is standing on the blackboard. I am teaching and my table is at the back. Okay, at the opposite side of Teacher Babs. So it's far from Teacher Babs. So I will use that because it is far. I cannot touch it. I have to walk to my table to touch something. For example, I have a pencil on my table, but I am standing near the blackboard. So my pencil is very far from me. So in that case, I will use that. For example, that is my pencil. So I will point my hand to my pencil. So that is my pencil. So I will just point because I cannot touch it. It's too far away. I have to walk. So in that case, we will use that. But if I have like 5 pencils on my table and I am standing near the blackboard, so I will say those. Those are my pencils. So I use those because it's plural. And then I use are because are is also used for plural. And then I said pencils because it's more than one pencil. It's composed of 5 pencils. So I will say those are my pencils. So in that case, that is a plural form. If singular, I will say that is my pencil. Okay? So again, remember, this and that are singular. These and those are plural. We use is for singular and we use are for plural. If the thing is only one, we do not add s. But if the thing is more than one, then we use s. So this ends our lesson for today, and in our next video, I will be teaching you the vocabularies for Unit 8. I hope you learned something from our lesson today, and if there is a part of this lesson that you don't understand, just ask me or Teacher Prel, or you can always watch this video again. So I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye!